Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered why two Korean words can mean the same thing but still feel different when you hear them? That's because in Korean, even small nuances can change the feeling of a sentence. And understanding those small differences is what takes your Korean to the next level. So, in this video, we are tackling another pair of Korean words that confuse almost every beginner. And that is 정말 and 진짜. Both of these words, they mean really or truly, but their nuances are different. And that's exactly where many learners get stuck. So, let's break them down and clear up the confusion once and for all. Now, before we start, if you want to learn more such Korean word pairs that have similar meaning but they're used differently in different situations, then I have curated a playlist of all such videos that I've created on the comparison of similar words in Korean language. So I'll share the link of that playlist in the description of this video so that you can have an easier access to all those videos and hence improve your Korean. So now let's begin. First of all, let's talk about 정말. 정말 means really or truly, as I said in the beginning of this video, and it is used to emphasize that something is true or genuine. Okay, so whenever you have to say really or truly or genuinely in Korean, you use 정말. One important point is that it sounds more neutral and slightly polite. Okay, so it is often preferred in formal situations. You prefer 정말 to be used in formal situations, in polite settings, when you're talking to either your elders or someone you respect, or in any situation which is quite formal. But don't just stick to that phrase, formal situation. It is also commonly used in everyday conversations, right? Whenever you are having an informal conversation, then too you can use 정말. But the basic, I should say, situation or manner for using 정말 is during formal situations or when you want to sound polite. Okay, so basically it means really or truly. Now, another important point before we go to the example sentences is that 정말 can slightly change its feeling depending on your tone of voice. Okay, depending on how you use 정말 while speaking, what is your tone, that can change its meaning slightly. Okay, I know it's a bit difficult right now understanding this, but when we'll see the examples, you'll understand the effect of your tone while using 정말 in sentences can change the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so keep this in mind. 정말 means really or truly and is used most of the time during formal situations or in polite conditions. Okay, when you want to sound polite. All right, now let's jump into examples. So the first example sentence is 정말 감사합니다. Thank you very much. Or when you want to say I'm really thankful to you, you use 정말 with the verb 감사합니다. All right, here you want to sound polite to the person whom you're saying this. All right, so here, did you notice the tone? It is polite. It is quite formal. 정말 감사합니다. Okay? Next. 오늘 날씨가 정말 좋아요. The weather is really nice today. 오늘, today, 날씨, weather, to be nice or to be good, 좋아요. Really nice. 정말 좋아요. Here you are kind of emphasizing on the fact that the weather is nice. Okay, you are appreciating the weather. You are emphasizing it. So you change the tone a little bit. Okay, 정말 좋아요. I hope you understand this. And now the third example, which is very common and really important. Suppose you and your friend are talking with each other and your friend says, oh, do you know, next week we have a test in our class? And you are shocked because you didn't know about that. And you say, 정말? Really? Did you get this? The kind of surprise that you are expressing in your tone. Okay, you are slightly surprised. 정말? So, I hope you can understand the importance of tone while using this word in different sentences, in different situations. In the first one, 정말 is being used to say that you're very thankful for something that someone has done for you. You're being very polite. Okay. In the second one, you are indicating the tone of appreciation towards the weather. Okay, you are emphasizing on the fact that the weather is nice. And in the third one, you are surprised. You're slightly surprised about a fact that you came across. Okay, about something that you heard. So, in these three sentences, 정말 means really, but there is a slight difference in the usage. I hope you understand this. Okay, now let's jump up to the next word, which is very, very common in Korean conversations and definitely in K-dramas. If you watch K-dramas, you have definitely come across this word. 진짜. It also means really. It is used in casual conversations to express strong feelings or reactions, such as surprise or excitement or emphasis. Okay, so now 정말 is used in formal or polite situations, whereas 진짜 is used in the casual situations or the casual conversations that we have in our day-to-day life usually. Also, 정말 is quite polite, whereas 진짜 has strong feelings attached with it. So compared to 정말, 진짜 sounds more informal and expressive. Now, as I've just mentioned here, that 진짜 is more expressive and more stronger than 정말. So your tone can completely change the feeling of the sentence. If you use 진짜 instead of 정말 in a sentence, the meaning becomes more expressive. There is a feeling of more surprise, more excitement in your sentence when you use 진짜 instead of 정말. Okay, so you can use 진짜 to show surprise or excitement or emphasis or even annoyance, depending on how to use it. Okay, how you say it. What is your tone? So let's see the example sentences to understand when to use 진짜, in which manner, to sound surprised or to sound excited or to sound annoyed. All right, let's go to the examples. Okay, so here comes the first example. Imagine that you taste something very delicious. Okay, you are eating noodles and they're really delicious. So in Korean, how you are going to express this feeling of appreciation? 진짜 맛있어요. It's really delicious. Okay? 맛있다, to be delicious, and to be really delicious. 진짜 맛있어요. I hope you understand. Next example. Suppose your friend tells you they met a K-pop idol and you are surprised. You are like, really? 진짜? Okay? So you are showing you are shocked and you're surprised. So you're showing that feeling by changing the tone. All right? Next. For example, your friend keeps bothering you for some reason and you are annoyed. And you tell your friend, 진짜 그만해. Seriously, stop it. 진짜 그만해. 그만하다, to stop. Alright, so you are showing your annoyance over here by changing your tone. Okay, here comes the next example. So here you are showing that you're doubtful about something. For example, you are purchasing online and you come across a product that you want to buy and you see a huge discount on that product. You were not expecting that much discount. So you are surprised and you are also doubtful if that is real. If that discount on that product, if this is real. So in Korean, you're going to say, 이거 진짜예요? Is this real? Alright, so I hope you get this, that how 진짜 can be used differently in different situations, but the meaning remains same. Really. So this was all about 정말 and 진짜, which are two very important Korean words. I must say this, really, really important Korean words, because you come across them very frequently. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.